Blessings. This evening, I have compiled a list of stories, so stick around for the news in detail. In the meantime, if you're new to the channel and it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe, plus click the notification bell, and while doing so select option all, so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activity on our channel on this channel. And also remember to give this video a like always for YouTube algorithm. Blessings and more Beatitude intro soon forward. To start things off, we are in cool Manchester, where 4 people were shot, 2 fatally in Greenville last night, August 5. The incident played out on 14th Street in Greenville, Manchester. Dead are 34-year-old Adrian Nation, otherwise called Blue, a chef of the community, and a man known as Lloyd Levy. Police reports are that about 8:05 p.m., 5 minutes past 8, the men were among patrons at a party in the community when gunmen opened fire at the group. 4 picked up rounds. Nation, Levy, a man and a woman were hit. They were taken to the hospital where Nation and Levy were pronounced upon arrival. Meantime, head of the Manchester Police Division, Superintendent Shane McCullough, says a restriction has been placed on entertainment events in Greenville following the incident. He says the police will be maintaining a strong presence in the area.
In the next couple of weeks, there will be no permits for parties and any other illegal events that they attempt to carry out in the area. Those will be shut down forthwith, and there will be a strong police presence inside the space and surrounding areas. So we're just asking the community as we work to make them safe and make the environment safe to cooperate with the initiatives that we put in place in the short and medium term to ensure that we don't have a recurrence like this.
As the gun violence continues to be a day-to-day activity in St. James, we made a stop in Catherine Hall, where a man was shot dead while a teen is now nursing gunshot wounds in Catherine Hall, St. James last night, August 5. Dead is 29-year-old Kemar Wilson, a cable technician of Catherine Hall. Police reports are that about 10 p.m., Wilson was among a group of people sitting at the front of a shop when gunmen opened fire at them. Wilson and a 15-year-old boy who was sitting on his veranda were hit. They were taken to the hospital where Wilson was pronounced upon arrival while the teen was admitted for treatment. Now, we are in the parish of St. Anne, and the man was shot dead in Ocherias yesterday evening. The St. Anne police have launched a probe into the murder of a man in Ocherias yesterday, August 5. The man's identity is being withheld pending the notification of relatives. Head of the division, Senior Superintendent Dwight Powell, said reports indicate that about 5 p.m., a gunman walked up to the man in the vicinity of a plaza and opened fire, hitting him in the head. The gunman then fled the scene. The wounded man was taken to hospital where he was pronounced upon arrival. SSP Powell said investigators are following strong leads, so we are hoping to get some result out of that. Still in St. Anne, at the scene of a bike crash where a Trelawney man lost his life along a section of the Discovery Bay main road. So on Thursday night, August 4, a bike crash in Discovery Bay, St. Anne has claimed the life of a Trelawney man. Dead is 28-year-old Jeffrey Brody of Stewart's Castle in Duncans. Reports are that about 9 p.m., Brody was riding a motorcycle along the Discovery Bay main road when upon reaching a section of the roadway, the bike collided into a Toyota Hiace motor truck. Brody was taken to the hospital where he was later pronounced while undergoing treatment. And as usual, I have the videos, and that is my WhatsApp number on display. So if you have reached this far, please, I'm asking you to like the video. All I need in return is just a like on my videos. And as we take a look at northeast to the beautiful parish of Portland we go, and 34-year-old Nicola Lindsay of Reach District, Portland has been missing since Thursday, August 4. She is of dark complexion, stout built, and about 160 centimeters, which is 5 feet tall. Reports from the Constant Spring Police are that about 8:30 a.m. Lindsay was last seen at Park Road, Kingston 8, wearing a dark green blouse with a green and yellow Jamaican shorts. She has not been heard from since, so anyone knowing the whereabouts of Nicola Lindsay is being asked to contact the Constant Spring Police at 876-924-1421, 119 police emergency number or the nearest police station. And no photograph of Nicola Lindsay was available at the time of this publication. So back to the troubled city of Montego Bay, St. James, where 17-year-old G0ne has been missing since yesterday about 3:30 p.m. Yes, she's from a St. James address. At the time of her disappearance, she was wearing a pink blouse, a jeans miniskirt, and a clear transparent looking slippers with a brown handbag. And she's currently sporting this hairstyle at the moment. So if anyone knowing the whereabouts of 17-year-old G0ne, please contact this the Montego Bay Police or the nearest police station in your vicinity. Thank you. Now over to some valid information. So Senior Superintendent Stephanie Lindsay from the Communications Unit of the Jamaica Constabulary Force is here trying to keep you safe while attending the Independence Grand Gala by abiding by these guidelines. Licensed firearms holders are asked to make adequate arrangements for the storage of their weapons. They are also being reminded that the Stadium Police Station will not be accepting firearms for safekeeping. So according to Stephanie Lindsay, they have put together a comprehensive traffic plan to ensure that they have a smooth flow and that persons are able to access the stadium with relative ease.
Stephanie Lindsay, Senior Superintendent of Police, head of the JCF Corporate Communications Unit. Over the years, we know that traffic congestion is one of the challenges we face. So we have put together a comprehensive traffic plan to ensure that we have a smooth flow and persons are able to go to access the stadium with relative ease. There are some streets that we will not be allowing parking this time around. So sections of Herb McKinley Drive, Roosevelt Avenue, Hartowent Drive, Latham Avenue, Stanton Terrace, and section of Mountain View Avenue. Those are areas that will be designated no parking area for the duration of the Grand Gala. Persons should get there early and utilize car parking facilities that are available. We also encourage persons that where necessary to carpool, so you don't have too many vehicles accessing the space at the same time, because we know that. I want to take this opportunity to remind licensed firearm holders that it is a no weapon event. So no guns, knives, ice pick, and some of those long pointed umbrellas will not be allowed in the stadium for the Grand Gala. So we want our licensed firearm holders to make arrangement for the safekeeping of their weapons. We don't have the facility at the Stadium Police Station to accommodate the safekeeping of weapons, so no weapons will be accepted at the station for safekeeping. So they have to do the necessary arrangement prior to getting there. One of the things that I really want to encourage them not to do, not to leave your licensed firearm in your vehicles. Far too often we see where either the vehicles are stolen or they're broken into and the firearms are taken. So whatever you do, don't leave your licensed firearm inside of your motor vehicle. The period leading up to the Grand Gala, there are a number of buses that are going back and forth transporting persons. So we really encourage persons to carpool or take a cab where necessary. Vending is also an issue. A lot of vendors, we know you come out at this time to make extra money. However, we want you to be mindful that you are not contributing to the congestion. We have seen in the past where, especially those persons who have those vending carts, where they actually put them on the roadway. So we tend to have this high buildup of traffic in those areas. So we want them to be mindful that they will not be allowed to have those vending carts on the roadway. They have to choose spaces along the stretch that they will not be impacting the traffic flow. Usually in these types of festivities, as people get excited about the happenings, we tend to see a lot of children getting lost or the parent losing the children in the process. In the event that we have this kind of situation this year, we're asking persons who find a child, who report that they can't find the parent or can't find the adult that they're with, to take the child to the stadium police station, and from there we will do the necessary documentation and proof that the child that we're handed over is to the rightful parent or guardian.
So there you have it. Leave a comment and make your opinion counts down in the comment section. Most importantly, be reminded that if you're new to the channel and it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe. Plus, click the notification bell, and while doing so, select option all, so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activity on our channel, on this channel. And also remember to give this video a like always, for YouTube algorithm, blessings and more beatitude. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.